All countries function through legislation and regulation. There are laws and regulations to make things happen and to make sure other things don't happen. In some places, nothing happens without regulation. But it's important not to over-regulate, because too much regulation can prevent things from happening at all. Countries use legislation to regulate things they want to change. And if you want to make good laws to change your qualification system, you need a national strategy. Having a national strategy helps to distinguish between general principles and operational details. After looking at legislation in 11 countries, we learned that reform processes aimed at better qualifications require 8 key parts of legislation that are all connected. First, the national strategy should determine the purpose and principles of the legislation. Then, the involvement of institutions and stakeholders should be regulated. Next, the way that qualifications are developed and how they are placed into a national qualifications framework should also be regulated. Qualifications are more trusted when they are based on quality-assured standards, assessment and certification. That's why it's important that those processes are also well regulated. Finally, the recognition of qualifications from other countries and validation of prior learning are integral parts of a qualification system that also need to be covered. Too many laws are created but not implemented because they are not based on a strategy, poorly designed, or not workable for other reasons. Making legislation and regulation that are fit for purpose needs the right tools. The ETF Toolkit can help you to see if legislation is your main obstacle and what to consider when you set out to fix it.